How many ways are there to get from point A to point B if we only want to take the fastest paths? So first of all, the fastest paths from point A to point B would be paths where we're going directly to point B from point A. And to do that, we'd only be going down or to the right. So before we start solving the problem, let's look at some different paths that we could take. We could go down once and then to the right twice, then down twice, then to the right twice. Let's write that down. Down once, then to the right twice, then down twice, then to the right twice. Or we could go to the right 3 times, then down twice, then to the right once, and down once. So let's write that down. Right, 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 down, down, right, down. Or we could go down 3 times, and then to the right 4 times. Down, 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 right, 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 right. And do you notice any patterns between these 3 paths? Well, the pattern is that each of these 3 paths are a combination of 4 steps to the right and 3 steps down. And that makes sense because if we look closely to our diagram, let me get rid of all of this. Point B is 3 steps down and 4 steps to the right of point A. So no matter what path we take from point A to point B, we will always have to go a total of 3 steps down and 4 steps to the right. So now we just have to figure out how many different ways there are to rearrange this 7-letter sequence. So let's say we had 7 spaces that are blank. And each of these blank spaces represents 1 step on the grid, either down or to the right. We need to choose 3 of these moves to be steps down. So for example, down, down, and we could put another one here. And then we fill the rest in with R's. So how many ways can we choose 3 of these blank spaces to have a D in them? Well, we could do that in 7, choose 3 ways. So there are 7 choose 3 ways to rearrange the 7-letter sequence. And that is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 divided by 6, which is 35. And we could have done the same things with R. We could have said, how many different ways are there to fill these 7 spaces with 4 R's? And that would be 7 choose 4 ways, and we'd still get the same answer. Now let's make the problem a bit bigger. Let's say this was what our grid looked like instead. Well, this time, we have to go to the right a total of 5 steps and up a total of 4 steps. So we have a total of 9 steps, and we have to choose 4 of them to be steps going up. So we could do it like this, or we could do it like this, or like this. So we have to figure out how many different ways we can choose 4 of these 9 steps to be steps going up. And we can do that in 9 choose 4 ways. So our answer is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 over 4 times 3 times 2. These cancel out, and we get 126.